someone who used to feel stressed, frustrated and depressed because of your work, because of your life? We all are on the same boat. I was also at your place getting irritated with little things in my life and I wasn't happy at my life. But now everything changed and I became happier than ever before. You too can become happy by just giving at least 20 minutes a day for yourself and doing the meditation and chanting this secret mantra, the Om. Yes, you have heard this right. You can become happier by chanting Om for at least 15 to 20 minutes a day. And this video is about the benefits of chanting Om and doing meditation in every day. Do watch the video entirely to know my journey of 4 months of meditating and chanting Om regularly. You can't miss the video if you really want to have a prosperous and a happy life. Hi friends, this is Adarsha MG and I welcome you exclusively to your own world of wisdom. Let's now understand why meditation is relevant nowadays with a hypothetical example of portrait photography. For those who don't know what is portrait photography, we will be clicking a picture where the one particular object is of primary focus and the object surrounding it will be out of focus. As a result of it, we will be getting a photo with a background blur effect. Let's imagine you are clicking a portrait photo. If you can't focus on one particular object, if you are getting a lot of noises, the images will be distracted and images are rarely usable. Let me relate this with our life. We all will be having one or two main responsibilities or main work which we should focus, but if we can't concentrate, our life will be a kind of useless. But in these days, it's practically impractical to focus on one thing and attain the mastery over that thing, because we have a lot of noises, lot of disturbances and lot of negative things going around in our society. That's when the spirituality and meditation comes into picture. These meditation techniques are a secret techniques which are used by our sages from thousands of years who have mastered their mind, who have mastered their life with the help of this focus and this meditation. We too can achieve success and we too can become happy by achieving the focus with the help of meditation and chanting these secret mantras. I know that you guys are so curious to know those benefits and significances of chanting the Om and doing meditation every day. But before moving on to that part, let's be clear with one thing: the actual pronunciation and the actual meaning of Om. If you are saying Om as just Om, you're doing it in a wrong way. I was also doing the same way while starting the meditation journey, but now I have got to know that the proper way of chanting Om is Aum. Om is a combination of 3 letters A, U and Ma. These 3 letters represents Brahma the creator, Vishnu the administrator and Maheshwara the destroyer, and these 3 letters collectively mean the cohesion of our mind, our body and our spirit. If you want me to give a little more detail about these 3 letters, the first letter A generates sound from the back of our throat and it creates a vibration in our chest or the solar plexus or the Manipuri chakra. If you guys want to know more about the Manipuri chakra and other chakras and the Kundalini and the third eye, please let me know in the comment section. The second letter U creates a vibration in our throat and it represents the subconscious mind, the planner of all the actions. And the third letter Ma equates to the infinite silence and it represents a deep sleep state. We all know that each and every object in our nature has certain frequency and certain pulsating vibration in it. If you measure the vibration generated from each and every object, it will be 432 Hz. And this frequency is same as that of the frequency which is generated by pronouncing Aum. That's why these 3 words A, U and Ma are called as the natural words, and Sadhguru rightly says these as universal words. And by chanting these 3 words, we are acknowledging to a fact that each and every object and everything in the world are connected together. I hope you guys are liking the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video and please do subscribe and share the video with everyone. And most importantly, comment your opinion and do hit that bell icon if you want to be the first one to know when I upload any new videos. Now let us move on to the best part of the video, the benefits of chanting Om and doing the meditation. The first and foremost is these meditational practices helps us to increase our concentration and get more focus in our work, with the help of which we can increase our efficiency and we can increase our productivity too. The second point is it helps us to reduce our stress and it helps us to reduce our anxiety, and in turn it helps us to reduce the chances of hypertension in our day-to-day life. And as we are sitting for a long time, maybe around 20 minutes or 15 minutes, it helps us to increase the core strength of our spine. And when we focus more on our breath and do the meditation in a regular basis, it helps us to regulate the blood flow and the oxygen flow into the blood. By regulating the oxygen flow in our blood, it helps us to increase the functioning of our heart and it helps us to improve the functioning of our digestive system. And most importantly, by doing the meditation and chanting Om, we can ensure that our sleep quality will be increased in a drastic manner. I can also relate with this point. Before starting my meditation journey, my sleep was more disturbed and I used to get up more oftenly in my sleep, and I was not getting the sleep soon when I go to sleep. The quality of sleep can be depicted with 2 points. How soon you can get your sleep when you are on your bed, and how long you can sleep without any disturbance and in between any interventions. So I can relate completely with it. I will assure that if you start doing meditation and chanting Om regularly, you will start noticing the improvement in your sleep quality and definitely will thank me later. The last and the important point is, by doing meditation and chanting Om, we will become more mindful and we will be always conscious about the action and the thoughts which we get into our mind, so that we'll guard our negative thoughts and accordingly we can make the decisions. This meditation and chanting requires to be done in a regular basis, and if you are wondering how you could start your daily routine or the self routine, please let me know in the comment section. I will do a separate video on how to start your self-discipline habits and keep going with it, and it can improve your life too. Now we have got to know that why meditation is required and what is the actual meaning of Om and what are the benefits of doing meditation and chanting every day. I was also getting many thoughts when I start meditation, but you should never get carried away with your thoughts. You just have to leave it freely and you have to focus on your breath and you focus on your Om. I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are having any experience in doing the meditation, do share your experience and thoughts in the comment section. And if you haven't started your meditation journey, trust me guys, this can help you to increase your quality of life and it can help you to become happy and prosperous in your life. Do commit yourself today so that you can start tomorrow, and commit by commenting on the comment section so that you can become more committed and you are committed to the whole world that you are going to start your meditation tomorrow. I wish every one of you to achieve your success, prosperity and happiness. That's it for the video. Stay safe, keep smiling, keep spreading the wisdom, keep meditating and keep affirming, keep dreaming.